The struggle you are in today is developing strength for tomorrow. My name is Simranjeet Singh from class 10th and my school name is Sacred Heart Convent Senior Secondary School, Sanewal, District Ludhiana. First of all, I want to wish Happy Labour's Day and a great salute to those who are serving us in these hard days. Laborers are backbone of economic system of a country and I am sure that we will together fight with this economic crisis and will make an immense economic growth in the days coming. There are always two ways to take a situation. One is positive and the other is negative. The situation we are facing today gives us a lot of positive things like pollution has decreased. As you can see a massive difference in the quality of air in this photo. Rivers are cleaner than earlier. The COVID-19 has generated a feeling of humanity among people, as in earlier times the human being was becoming selfish. But nowadays all are helping each other to fight against coronavirus. Now, I want to throw some light on negative impacts also. People are dying because of coronavirus. Poverty is increasing day by day. People have suffered a lot of economic loss. But hope sees the invisible, feels intangible, and achieves impossible. So we should not lose hope. This is the time you can spend quality time with your family and you can perform yoga and workout to make yourself fit and to boost your immunity. And you can also work on your skills like educational skills and sports skills also. Today's situation has asked a lot of questions from us like, is this urban way of living good or bad? Second, we are forgetting our ancestral food and giving preference to junk food. Even we know that it weakens our immunity. Third, we are living a busy lifestyle in which no yoga or workout is there. So, please write your wise answers to these questions in the comment box and I will end up with a quotation by Charles Kettering. You can't have better tomorrow if you are still thinking about yesterday. I repeat it. You can't have better tomorrow if you are still thinking about yesterday. So I want to request you, please stay at home and stay safe and follow government guidelines. Thank you.